I want to just quickly talk about this plant, which is three-cornered garlic or three-cornered leek, Allium triquetrum, and it's pretty prolific. It used to be very prolific just around the kind of Devon and Cornwall area, but because it's now considered an invasive, and that's something we need to be conscious of, it's spread from Cornwall and Devon and the southwest to quite considerable different regions of the UK and bits of Ireland. Under Schedule 9 of the Wildlife and Countryside Act, it is an offence to deliberately or accidentally introduce this plant into the wild. Make certain when harvesting to use suitable containers that do not allow any part of the plant to accidentally fall out when you're transporting it back home. And dispose of any unused material safely, not in your own compost bin or your green bin. You must use instead black bin liners. Now that was a private communication from a fantastic botanist and ecologist called Mark Duffel, who I interviewed on the Eat Weeds podcast. And he's from Arvensis Ecology, and the man kind of knows it all really. So please, if you are gathering this, don't just strip it out and chuck it all about, because it is just going everywhere. Yeah, thank you.